So the surface tab has, like, in the analysis, it has all of these, like analyzing the brep. For example, here brep edges. If I call this and link it to my brep, so it's showing me, it's giving me here as an output, it's giving me the curves. So the data type now I have are curves. So we have also like two types, like the naked edges. These are the exterior edges they have in the exterior. So if also just call this curve container to select them, I see it's only like the green ones, only the exterior ones, and the interior I have one. Yeah, so this is an interior edge. This is what it's called. And if you want to show the naked edges, the exterior ones, so these are the ones.